is a very simple arrangement with melody and bass line. The music score is available in the link in the description. Let's start with the first two bars. The melody goes like this. Everyone's familiar with it. Left hand accompaniment has 1 and 4. Yeah, let's carry on with the right hand. 6. And for the left hand, we'll have 1, 5, 1. Okay, so we go. Let's put the first line together. And the next line is exactly the same as the first line, so we're not going to repeat. We're going straight into the chorus. The chorus starts with 5. And hit the top 3, and therefore it's wise to keep your hand like this before you start, yeah? But over here, you want to stretch your fingers slightly so you can play 6 and 4 from 1, 6, 5, yeah? This is probably the naturalist way to play that line. And we'll add left hand accompaniment, which is 1, 4, 1, 1. Yeah. And next you play 1, 1, 7, 4, 4, 6, 5, 3. Your top note is 1, your lowest note is 3. It might be wise to put your top finger on 1, lowest on 3 to start with, so that you make sure that you have enough to finish. Yeah. So adding the left hand. Yeah. Let's play this line through. Repeat. And lastly, we want to make sure you have a finger available for top 4. Yeah, so it might be wise to play like this. Yeah, and adding the left hand, just note 5 and a note 1. We are ready to play the whole line. Let's see. So, this is the whole piece. much for watching.